was my channel. Today we are going to be creating a giant, well, a fluffy orange slime. Yeah. Okay, and we got these mustaches now. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and the bell. And let's get into it. We're going to wipe the mustaches off. Yeah. Was it that bad?
You have a little bit left, Lily.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay, so now we're just gonna pour glue. I really like shaving cream, so I did that massacre. Aww, you can feel that. Bless you.
James, can I turn the TV down?
Now we're gonna mix this all up. We do have a tad bit of shaving cream at the end. Okay, so this isn't the fluffiness that we want, but we are gonna add our food coloring, then we're gonna add our fluffy stuff, whatever you call it. What do you call it again? Shaving cream, yes, shave. James, ready? 1, 2, 3, y'all shaving cream. 1, 2, 3, shaving cream.
Don't you think
I'm
you need more
quiet.
shaving cream?
No, James, not yet. I was going to call this creamsicle. I don't feel like it has enough dye though.
No, I think it has enough dye. It looks like peach or something. Yeah,
I want
peach.
peach, and I want creamsicle. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely not for creamsicle now. I'm just gonna mix this up a tad bit more.
This is really good for shaving.
Cold shaving cream. I love the way that shaving cream looks when you use. Okay, let's mix this all up.
Oh my gosh.
I know, it's so fluffy. Also, one of the reasons why I added an extra bit of dye is because this will tint it down. So.
I once tasted shaving cream and thought it was what's it called?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, it actually kind of tastes good.
No, it
It
doesn't.
kind of tastes sugary. To me, it
Does not
does.
should
To me,
have
it does.
sugar
You have
in
a
it.
strange taste buds. You you think pumpkin pie is good. I hate pumpkin pie. This is so soft. I'm gonna add a tad bit more dye. See, this is what, remember, before it was like, oh my goodness, I'm so bright and cheerful, and I was like, okay, so, it's like me when I don't get stuff. I got Starbucks though, because they were half price today. My teacher told me. As you can see, this is fluffy slime is very easy to activate. So you could literally make it in a car and make a giant, a really good fluffy slime. I think you might make a tad bit more of it because I want this to be.
But
giant.
don't try it in a car. You might
Yeah,
you
I
might
don't
make
really
a
try it in
mess.
the car. It was just an explanation. But unless you're Amira is wild. I love shaving cream. It makes everything so much better.
I like peeling off this stuff.
That's what he's been doing this time.
Is it almost ready?
Yes, it is almost ready. The shaving cream will kind of activate it, so don't add too much. Remember, little at a time, and then you'll get the perfect slime. You might think it's a tad bit sticky to you, but you just have to put your hand oils in it, your finger oils, whatever you call it. Okay, so, but this is definitely sticky to me. And when you go like this, if it has some, the things that look like spider webs, those are called, yeah, we do call them spider webs in slime. As you can see, this drink is so fluffy. I have to give some to my friend because I promised her some slime. I'm like this slime goddess at school. Everyone comes to me and they want slime. James, can you put a tab more activator in here? James, put a tab more activator.
Where's the activator?
It's right in your hands.
Oh.
Done. I love this. It's a tablet overactivated, but I got a plan. So I usually just take a tablet of slime, kind of overactivate it, and put it in the bowl and mix, so I don't have to mix very much. Okay, I think I'm gonna take it and kind of mix it now. I love this. James, can you pick? Yep. James, can you take that out? Okay. James, are you just over there doing whatever you want? See those little spider things? Not those holes, but oh, I don't think I have an example right now. I'll have to show you guys in my next video tomorrow.
Or in a couple.
I'm sorry this video is so late. We've been doing a lot of things. I had choir. James had to come home by himself. We had to go to Starbucks for, it was very emergency. Starbucks is an emergency. It's a excuse for life. So like, if you're drinking, I'm not sure how fluffy this is right now. It's so fluffy. I used to make slimes this fluffy, but now I don't. What are you doing? He's going. Then do it a little louder.
What did you do with the rest of it?
Okay, so the rest of it's in the bowl, so I'm gonna keep mixing that.
James.
By the way, the glue we're using is Elmer's glue. It's surprisingly cheap for a gallon.
You shall not see my face.
You're a strange child.
My face is blue.
Yeah, his face is blue. He got a really bad cold. Oh my goodness, this is so
I put my
sick.
head in ice for 24 hours.
James, I'm pretty sure you'd be dead. Your brain would freeze up. Yeah. Okay. This is a tad bit sticky, so I'm gonna add the activator. So cold. I hate being cold.
Me too.
That's why I hate my classroom. It's so cold.
Your classroom's cold.
Mine too. Mine's colder. They put air conditioning in it.
Mine too.
Literally, we have our own vent.
Mine
The
too.
schools, no, James. The schools just has the air conditioner. They just have one. Our classroom has a whole one. We're actually told to bring jackets. Okay, so we get to the line.
Need help?
No, I don't.
Okay.
That's cheating. You've overactivated so many slimes. Every slime he's ever made has been overactivated.
Well, he's just learning.
Yeah. Well, he's been a guy, my sister, that makes slime 24 hours, makes slime every day. What? I made slime yesterday. I made slime before that, and I made slime
All
that.
the videos.
Yeah, I do have a YouTube channel, right? I should subscribe to it.
Got some on your chin.
Yeah, did I get it?
Yep, you got it.
Okay, so I think I'm almost done. I'm just gonna wipe my hands off because having dirty hands is very cringy and a pet peeve of mine.
I got Robux today.
I hate when I just start playing with slimes and then I make a whole stack and I have to put them all away.
You stack over there.
Yeah. I have buckets. That's not all my slime. Not even
Wait,
close.
have you watched Poke on YouTube?
Poke? No. But apparently you watch Poke.
Of course
So informational about almost cool.
Oh, it's so
objects.
sticky. No, I'm gonna add.
James, that's not. Okay, so I'm gonna call this creamsicle. If you're wondering why I poke like this with fluffy slimes, it's because fluffy slimes are really kind of sticky to me sometimes. Most of the time they're really sticky to me. I love this one. These make the best bubbles. So comment down below what type of video I should make. Keep interrupting every sentence I make.
Oh, he's just trying to help.
Yep, sure. So we're gonna scoop some glue out.
And I watched Tofu. Tofu. I don't know.
James, you're just like making all the reasons why they shouldn't
Shouldn't watch the videos.
Yeah, you're just making all those reasons that you can
Is it
watch
almost
someone
completed?
else.
But
What?
they can watch
Yeah,
it
I'm almost
too.
done.
Go watch it. Your videos and his videos.
Okay, sure.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want to make this into a
I don't really know what tofu. I don't know.
I think it's called Tofu. His name's Tofu, I believe. Bet.
Yeah.
Oh, I watched Just Amira, Karina Garcia, William
Cringe.
Bowl. I don't watch Cringe. Stop it. Make it too fluffy where it's not going to be stretchy. Yes, you can make fluffy slimes that do not stretch because you add too much shaving cream. See right here, he kind of just did that, but see how it's beginning not to stretch? That's how it could happen, and you don't want that.
But it's so fluffy.
Yeah, it's really fluffy. This is like literally the fluffiest slime I've ever felt. It's
Ever.
like jiggly. I made fluffy slimes back there, but not this fluffy. So my hands are super cringy, so I'm just gonna. This is like my. See. So fluffy. I think I'm gonna marry this slime. That we need to get a ring so I can put inside this slime. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe my slimes, my hands off.
Hey, there's Daddy's book.
James, that's his own MacBook.
I know. That's why I called it
Just-
a book.
Okay. Okay. Well, now we're
And
gonna
I called books Mac.
Okay. Now we're gonna do a nice.
No,
Okay. I'm gonna do here because I usually do here.
don't
Okay,
forget
so
to not
here-
get these pieces in it. Look how fluffy it is.
Fluffy slimes don't usually make good bubbles, but we'll see what this one makes. But they do make really good bubbles.
How many cookies?
Wait, no, I was wrong. Fluffy slimes make really good bubbles. Crackle-lackles at least. And bubbles. I think we're ordering some instant stuff off Etsy, so we're gonna get some nice cloud slimes next. So yeah, let's clean up our bowls and we can end this video because we guys are hating these videos. Yeah. That's good. We are going to end this video now, and I will clean this bowl after we are done. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and the bell. That was a close. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.